All right, so maybe you've seen those videos about how to take an ebook, turn it into a course, turn it into an Instagram thread, and then promote that and get sales. But what they don't tell you is that you might be opening yourself up to some serious legal risk when doing that. Today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to take other people's content, resell it as your own, while being completely above board and legal, and still being able to sleep at night knowing that you're not risking anything. And here's the thing, it's easier than ever now to do this, because there's so many PLR products out there. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. Basically, it's already created content that you can edit and rebrand and sell on. You know, similar to what they're talking about on all those other channels, but I'm going to show you a little loophole that allows you to do that and sleep perfectly fine at night. Step number 1 is to find PLR or resellable products. What does that mean? It means finding eBooks, video courses, Notion templates, checklists, swipe files, any type of digital product that gives you resell rights. Now, the first place that I recommend you look is plr.me. You'll find everything from ebooks to courses to workbooks and much more. And everything on plr.me has commercial rights, meaning you can use it however you want. Next up, we have idplr.com. IDPLR has a ton of products ranging from marketing materials to mind maps to video courses, and there's over 16,000 products to choose from. One thing to note, though, is that not all of them are available for editing, so you'll have to dig around and make sure that the one you're getting is the editable version. Third on our list is Resell Rights Weekly. They offer both free and premium access to PLR content, and it's updated weekly, so you're bound to find something good. Big Product Store has over 10,000 PLR products in a variety of niches, so even if you're just starting out and you're unsure what to pick, you can probably find something here to try out. The next place I suggest is Buy Quality PLR. We have a link down below for you guys. This is a super helpful website that offers tons of high-quality PLR content, especially if you're in the business or mindset niche. The last place I'd like to send you guys to is Tools for Motivation. They have a bunch of self-help and transformation products that are perfect for coaches and consultants. I'll leave all these links in the description below, so it's easy for you to click on and browse through. Now, when you're browsing through these sites, keep in mind you want to make sure that you're picking products that can actually be edited and repackaged. Always make sure to read the product license very carefully so you don't run into any issues down the road. All right, let's move on to step 2, which is customizing the product into your brand. Once you've downloaded your PLR product, it's time to put your own spin on it. That way, you'll stand out from everyone else selling the same product, and you'll build trust with your audience by adding your own voice to the content. Let me walk you through my PLR customization checklist. First things first, change the title. Make sure it reflects your brand and target audience. If you're not sure how to do this, you can simply open up a blank canvas, click on Templates, and search for ebook cover. Once you select that, you'll be able to see hundreds of pre-made templates that you can choose from. All you have to do is double-click on the image, and you'll be able to start editing right away. Once you've changed the title, you want to change the actual cover design. You can either create your own using Canvas tools, or you can search for an existing template. If you're not sure how to make your own design, I'd recommend watching a couple of YouTube tutorials first to learn how to do it. Then you can decide whether you want to go that route or not. Next, edit the content. Take the information you found in the PLR product and make it your own. Add your own stories and examples. Rewrite parts of it to match your brand's voice and tone. You can easily do this by opening up a blank document on Google Docs, or you can download a template from Canvas. Speaking of which, once you've finished editing the content, you want to add your brand. That means inserting your logo and mentioning your website and social media handles. You can easily do this by opening up a blank document and uploading your logo. Once it's uploaded, you can drag and drop it anywhere in the document where you want your logo to appear. Another thing you can do is to add bonuses. That could be worksheets, cheat sheets, or even a mini course. This will help you boost the perceived value of your product and increase the price you can charge for it. Lastly, format and export your product. Make sure it looks professional and polished by using formatting tools. Export it in a format that's easy to share. You can either use Google Docs, Canva, or Designer.io. If you're feeling really creative, you can turn your ebook into a video course, a podcast series, or an email challenge. There's so much you can do, and I'm excited for you to start exploring all these different possibilities. All right. So now that you have your product ready to go, it's time to build out your funnel. You can use a tool like Systeme.io to create your automated sales funnel. Alternatively, you can use ClickFunnels, ConvertKit, MailerLite, or GetResponse. All of these tools will help you set up your funnel without having to code anything. Your funnel should include a landing page where you collect email addresses. I'd recommend offering a free lead magnet to entice people to sign up. After they sign up, send them to a thank you page. This is where you'll deliver on your promise of a free resource. And this is also the perfect place to introduce your paid ebook or course. You can do this by setting up an upsell on your thank you page. So after someone downloads their freebie, they're taken to your sales page. This page should explain the benefits of buying your product. It can include testimonials, guarantees, and even a video to showcase the value of your product. Once you've convinced them to buy, they can proceed to the checkout page where they can pay for your product using Stripe, PayPal, or whatever payment method you integrated. Last but not least, you'll have an email sequence that follows up with tips, value, and promotions leading up to the sale. All right, so now that you have your product and your funnel ready, it's time to promote. You can use any platform you like, but here's a few ideas. First, you can use broadcast lists on WhatsApp and Telegram to promote your offer. This is a great way to reach people directly and get them excited about your product. Next, you can leverage your social media presence by sharing snippets of your ebook on Instagram Reels and Stories. This is a fun way to tease your product and generate interest. You can also use Facebook groups and Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. And if you have an ebook, you can post it on Pinterest as well. Lastly, you can try affiliate sites like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or PayHip to sell your product. Now here's a couple bonus tips for promoting your ebook. First, host a giveaway. This is a great way to generate buzz and excitement around your product. You can ask participants to share your post for an extra entry to increase your reach even more. Next, partner up with influencers in your niche. Reach out to them and offer to pay them a commission for every sale they bring in. This is a great way to tap into their audience and get your product in front of new eyes. Lastly, don't forget to track your results. This is the only way you'll know what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy accordingly and watch your results improve over time. Now here's some legal requirements that you must follow. Add a privacy policy, terms and conditions, and a disclaimer to your pages. It's also a good idea to mention the use of PLR content if the license requires it. You can simply add a line at the end of your ebook that says something along the lines of, "This product was created using PLR content. The original author retains all copyrights." You can also add a disclaimer like, "This product is for educational purposes only and does not guarantee results." This way, you're protecting yourself and your business. All right, so now you know how to take other people's content, resell it as your own, while still being completely legal. I'll leave a link to the free PLR Launch Toolkit down below. It includes an editable funnel template and step-by-step instructions. Grab it now and start building your passive income streams today. That's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please leave me a like and a comment below. I love reading what you guys have to say. Also, if you haven't subscribed to Moneyfied Hub yet, make sure to click that button so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.